Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to upload a newsletter to Mailchimp and test it before sending it out to your subscribers. This is a crucial step to ensure your newsletter looks perfect and all links work properly before it reaches your audience. Let's get started. First, open a web browser and navigate to Mailchimp.com. Once you're on the home page, you'll need to sign into your account. Click on Login and you'll be prompted to enter your email address and password. Make sure you're using the credentials associated with your Mailchimp account, then proceed to sign in. After logging in, you'll land on your Mailchimp dashboard. From here, direct your attention to the left navigation panel where you'll see various options for managing your account. Click on Campaigns. This will expand a menu with additional choices. From this expanded menu, select Email Templates. This section houses all your template options and previously saved campaigns. Now you'll be on the Email Templates page, where you'll see a variety of pre-made templates, saved web pages, and email campaigns you've created in your Mailchimp account. What we're looking for here is the Code Your Own button. Click on the drop-down arrow next to it, and from the options that appear, select Import HTML. This is the method you'll use to add your custom newsletter to Mailchimp. Next, click on Add File. This action will open a file browser window on your computer. Navigate through your folders to locate the HTML file of your newsletter. Once you've found it, click on it to select it, then click Open. The file will now be added to Mailchimp. After confirming the file is uploaded, click on Continue to proceed to the next stage. You'll now be directed to the preview page. This is an important step where you can review the newsletter you just uploaded. Take your time here to carefully check that all the content has been added correctly, including text, images, links, and formatting. Scroll through the entire newsletter to ensure nothing is missing or appears broken. Once you've thoroughly reviewed your newsletter and everything looks good, look at the top right corner of your screen. Here you'll find a button labeled Preview and Test. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this selection, click on Send a Test Email. This feature allows you to test your newsletter by sending it to an email address of your choice before it goes out to your full subscriber list. A dialog box will appear prompting you to enter an email address where you want to receive this test newsletter. Type in the email address, then click on Send Test. Within moments, you should receive the test email in your inbox, allowing you to see exactly how your newsletter will appear to your subscribers. And there you have it. You've successfully uploaded your newsletter to Mailchimp and sent a test email to verify everything works perfectly. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.